Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Dice Streams. In order to log out of Dice Streams, you'll need to go ahead and log out from the Facebook account that you are connected to Dice Stream with. So in order to do that, go ahead and open up the Facebook app or website and tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Now, click on the gear button at the top right, and from the settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps and website under your activity. Now all of your applications that are connected or logged in with Facebook will be displayed. Select Dice Streams and click on remove. Click on remove once again in the pop-up, and then you can go back to the Dice Streams app and you will see that you have been logged out. So that's how you easily disconnect Dice Stream from Facebook or log out from your Dice Streams account. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.